Today we're going to be talking all about how to style joggers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela, and here on this channel we are all about style and confidence at any size. So if you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for more. We would love to have you guys join a part of our little family, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Like I said before, today we are going to be talking all about how to style joggers. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. So we are going to jump right into it with the first outfit, and the first one is quite possibly my favorite because I think it breaks the stereotype, the stigma of joggers that they are only for loungewear, and this is a way that you can dress them up. And I will first say that every single pair of joggers in this video is actually the same. They're just in different colors, and they're my absolute favorite joggers. They're from Old Navy. They're the French Terry joggers. They are available in straight size and plus sizes, and I'm wearing them in an XXL, and they are $25 regularly, but they are always on a sale, so wait for a sale and catch one because they're the best joggers ever. But I love this look. Like the first time I saw someone dress up joggers, I was like, that's really nice. Like, why aren't we doing this? Why isn't this a thing? Now, no, this may not be something you can wear into the office depending on where you work. Hey, I don't know. I don't make the rules. But it is definitely a cute little edgy different look that you could wear out, and I just love it. So I'm wearing the black joggers. I have a white tee tucked in and then a blazer on top, and the white tee is from Target and the blazer is from Torrid, and I love the look of this together. And my favorite thing to do, or to try to do when I'm wearing joggers, is to contrast a more loose fitting, obviously like part like the joggers, with a more form fitting top or a piece, whatever that may be, which for me is the blazer right now. And I think when you have that more form-fitting blazer on top and then you get into the loose joggers, it adds a nice contrast. And for me, you guys know, I am not a heels kind of a person. You could totally pair like a really nice strappy black heel with this and be on your way, but that is just not my vibe. That's not my jam. So I just have a really easy, cute pair of pointed toe flats, and I love the look. I really do. And I think I was a little bit surprised. I didn't think it was gonna look bad, but I didn't think it was gonna look this good. So this is definitely hands down my absolute favorite outfit from this entire styling video, but I just feel like it needs to be known. You can indeed dress up joggers. For the next style, I have one of my favorite classic looks, and that is just joggers with a tee and a denim jacket. Super simple, super basic, but it can still look really nice. I have these blush pink joggers, again, the same pair from Old Navy, and I paired it with that same white t-shirt. Again, another super versatile piece, which I would be willing to bet that most of these pieces I'm showing you probably already have in your closet. So these are looks that you could definitely take pieces away from, add things that you have, and just complete it with things that you already have on hand. But the thing I did here was not the t-shirt, and again, I do this because the contrast of the more loose-fitting joggers with a little bit more of a form-fitting top piece. So obviously the denim jacket is not very form-fitting, but I just brought it in with that knotted t-shirt, which I love. And then, like I said, I have the denim jacket over it, which is a little bit oversized. It's from Torrid, one of my favorites. It and everything else will be linked down below in the description box. And then I just paired that with a simple brown sandal. You could do a white sneaker, but I like bringing in the brown into this outfit. So again, one of my really favorite classic and easy to throw together looks. This next style is really just about as easy as they come, and I just have this basic pair of gray joggers paired with a graphic t-shirt. I just happen to pick out this leopard one that is from Old Navy, and then I have a pair of black, I was gonna say sequin, not sequin, black quilted slip-on shoes on the bottom as well, which those are from Walmart, and they are super inexpensive, but it's just a really easy way to throw together an outfit. Like, you can take joggers out of the house, and that is my new favorite thing, like, is to take joggers out of the house and not put on real pants, because real pants are not fun. But with this, you still have a little bit of a fun look with the graphic, and you can switch this out with pretty much any graphic that you have. You can wear a different color jogger with a different color graphic, whatever the case may be. Again, it's going to be a really versatile look for you. You can have a black t-shirt, a white t-shirt, any kind of solid color, but I just particularly like the look of a more solid color. Even though the bottoms aren't technically solid, they're more of that like marled heather charcoaly kind of a look, but I like that with the contrast of the leopard print. This next style is definitely catered a bit more towards winter. winter, but it is one of my favorite edgier looks, and it is just a plain black pair of joggers with a hoodie underneath. And you can go for a gray hoodie or a white hoodie, just any kind of a lighter tone. This one is probably showing off white on camera, but it's a very light gray, and a black jacket on top. I would do either a moto jacket or a leather jacket to kind of add to that edgy look. And this layering is perfect for winter. It's one of my favorite looks. It's super edgy. I, living in the South, cannot wear this very many times throughout the year, but when I can, I really love it. And one of my like pro tips for this is when you're layering, I do have like a specific tighter hoodie for layering, so I will go with the smallest size that like I can pretty much fit in terms of a hoodie, so that I have a more form-fitting piece underneath, and then I have the jacket on top that's a little bit more of like a, I don't want to say like a grungier sort of a look, so that you don't have like kind of oversized on top, and it's going to help to be able to kind of fit those layers in. So go smaller with your underpiece and a little bit bigger with your jacket. And with that, I have that same black pair of quilted slip-on sneakers from Walmart that I love. And the thing that I like when you're adding different like black things, like I say black for example because most of this outfit is black, but with any color that you have, try to kind of switch up the texture. So the sweatpants are that like French terry material, the moto jacket is much more of a almost like a velvety kind of material, and then you have the like faux leather look of the sneaker. So even though there's a lot of the same color, there's a lot of different textures going on, which is great to add dimension to an outfit. Next, I have another really easy and comfortable style to share with you guys, and I just have that basic gray pair of joggers with a white t-shirt on top and a button-down chambray around the waist. Again, super simple. These are things you probably already have in your closet, but it just adds like a little extra level of dimension. You can totally just wear the joggers and the t-shirt, but the thing about that is it just becomes a little more frumpy and less stylish in my opinion. So when you add that chambray top around the waist, it snatches your waist in and gives you a little bit more of a shape and just makes it overall look a lot more put together. And with this outfit, I have paired favorite pair of brown sandals. These are from Lane Bryant last year, but they don't have them anymore, but I will link a similar pair. This next style is another one that's a little bit more on the edgy side, and I'm bringing back those gray joggers, and I have it paired with a black and white graphic t-shirt that is tucked in with a moto jacket on top and that same black pair of quilted slip-on sneakers. And the thing that I love about this is not only the little bit of edginess, but I think the graphic tee makes the difference. And if you're going to recreate this outfit, I would suggest trying to find a similar graphic tee with those clean lines, because I think something about just those clean lines that are in this graphic tee, which if this one's still in stock, I'll try to link it down below. It was from Target, but those clean lines just make it look a lot more sleek and put together in my opinion than like a traditional just kind of regular graphic tee. It looks a lot more just intentional and put together, and I really do think it brings together the overall look. For this next style, we have another really simple and easy outfit, and I just have those black joggers with that same quilted pair of black sneakers with my favorite, like all-time favorite black and white striped shirt on top. I will link my Amazon fashion favorites above and down below for you guys to check out. This top is from Amazon, and it is the best t-shirt ever. But what I've done here is just knot it in the front. Again, it's these simple changes that is what is going to make the difference in your outfit, from frumpy to like, oh, I actually put an effort into my outfit. Because if you just kind of have it hanging there, I mean, it's cute, don't get me wrong, I love the top, but it just looks a little bit more like bleh and less like you tried to put yourself together. Whereas when you add that knot, it just adds a little bit of extra dimension and effort and just kind of gives you a little bit of shape on your top, whereas you don't have that much on your bottom. And then last but certainly not least, I have a little bit more of a cuter fall look, and it is just that same outfit that I showed before, but I'm adding a black cardigan on top. This cardigan is from Amazon. It's one of my favorite ones. It has that popcorn detailing on it, and you can do a number of different things with this. Like you could do a different color cardigan if that's what your style was. You could do just a different cardigan in general, kind of keep that monochrome like black color going. It really is up to you, but I like, again, to add those different textures into it, so I thought the black popcorn cardigan went great with this because I'm still kind of keeping in the same color family, but adding a little bit of a different texture and dimension into my outfit. And you can do different things with this shirt, which is why it's one of my favorites. As you saw a couple outfits ago, I had the graphic tee with just a little bit of a front tuck, which added a little bit of detail, or this one I have the knot. You could add like a side tuck, you could tie it to the side, you could do a number of different things, but just something that adds that little bit of a shape to you is going to make all the world of a difference. So that is how to style joggers, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching, and as always, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know which outfit was y'all's favorite, and I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in the next one.